Hello viewer, we are using the designs, making a picture there. I will explore the different options here. So let's make the changes on it. I will take it, that design, change and add a pattern into it. So let's find a different pattern stamp to fill up there in that shape. I will take that one. Also take the eraser tool to remove this shape here. So that is the shape we have get after erasing the pattern stamp.